Today on Pure Octane Garage, do you ever get that question? What should I clean my car with? How do you take such good care of your car? You ever get that?
All the time.
We're gonna answer it.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
Brandon here.
Ryan here. We bring you detailing information.
That's right, another automotive
goodness.
Yeah, that stuff.
Yeah, that stuff.
Okay.
So, yeah, the question.
The question. I'm gonna rehash the question that we just said in the intro. What should I get to clean my car? I've gotten that question many times.
Yeah, from...
People think I'm an expert. Little do they know. No, it's
right?
I like to think we know what we're talking about.
So yeah,
like
I've got family members that'll say, hey, what do I use? What do I need? So I get that a lot.
And that's a loaded question. We use a lot of different chemicals, and I don't like to recommend to somebody, well, you need a wheel and tire, and you need to, you know.
Yeah, you'll see their eyes glaze over and like,
never
whoa.
mind, I shouldn't have asked.
So this is kind of our answer to that, where it's, you know, just the basics.
So that's what's in this little box.
So a little background. This is a kit you put together for your son, right?
I did, and because he's not as interested in detailing as I am, and that's fair. Most people aren't. You're watching this channel, so you probably are, but you're going to get this question, so you might be able to answer, or maybe this works for you. So, yeah, I put this together for him to keep it simple. I did base it on a kit. We reviewed. I'm going to put this in there, this little plug in there. GLOVEBOXRx. Remember that? We reviewed that. That product that they had, their kit helped me put this together with my own spin on it, basically.
Yeah, and you can use
any products.
your favorite brand of products.
Okay, so starting, we've got a container here. Get yourself a good container, right?
Yeah, that way it's an
easy to bring everything in and out. Get yourself a bucket too.
Yeah, recommend a bucket.
Let's just recommend them a one bucket. We know we use other buckets, but for the case of keeping it simple for somebody, a one bucket works fine. They can do their wheels and tires, rinse it out.
You know, keep it simple. So a good bucket I would recommend. I like a 5-gallon.
Yeah, I prefer the 5-gallon. So we've got a kit here. The kit I put together, each microfiber corresponds with a chemical based on color.
Nice.
So kind of that can be tricky, but you just match your favorite product, and then I bet a microfiber comes in that color. Most likely.
That's true.
You know, so just look on Amazon, find the microfibers you like, and so for instance, glass cleaner has the same special glass microfiber, right? And they're the same color.
And they're both blue.
And you're going to see that. It's the first thing we got here.
Well, what is the first thing we do is you wash the vehicle, right? So
we're going to start with some car soap. What's important?
pH balanced, neutral.
Yes.
Soap, balanced. pH neutral soap.
Okay, this is one area I strayed. The wash mitt is not red. I try lots of different pH balance. You go through this pretty quick.
I mean, but you do have a bucket here.
The bucket's red.
And that matches. I mean.
And then, so the corresponding tools, wash mitt, put those in there. And then I threw in a scrubber pad, just in case there's some bugs. It's a microfiber on one side and a pretty soft scrub on that side.
Oh, okay, not too aggressive.
Yeah, so you're not going to scratch up the car.
So, and we're recommending the one bucket method to keep things simple for that friend, family member, neighbor. Multiple
buckets and tools get too complicated for a basic wash.
Yeah, so we're just trying to keep this as simple as possible.
Right.
So what else do we have?
So what else? So you wash the car, right?
Oh yeah.
Now
we want to dry that car.
Dry the car. So I threw in just a random 3 drying towels. We really like these microfiber giant drying towels. They do really well.
Yeah, I've got a couple of these particular type and they work great.
So your media of choice. Reason there's 3 is a vehicle that we use on this car on the most is a Bronco. So these fill
so you
up.
got a
depending on the
larger
vehicle, how many?
Okay.
All right, grab the next one, Ryan.
Okay, we've got a waterless wash here.
Waterless wash.
And you're using this?
I'm using this door jams most likely.
Got it.
Because even though it's a little above and beyond step, I think it's important, even for a basic wash, that you wipe out those door jams. And then, as you can see, we've got a corresponding green microfiber to go with that. Also, good to keep in the kit when they get bird bombs, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I labeled these because they're clear bottles. It says bird turds.
It does.
Just in case.
Honest.
I thought that's funny.
It says it on there. So, cleaning out the door jams. You made it simple.
Cleaning off door jams, or maybe you missed a little spot while you were washing. You don't want to throw the soap back on the car. spray that on.
And the benefits of that waterless wash is it does have some lubrication in it, so it's not harsh.
Well, let's do this next. We're gonna let's clean some glass, right? We got some glass, and let's get the correct microfibers for that one. So we've got the nice glass waffle weaves and the glass cleaner.
Yeah,
they're both blue.
Very simple. You know people know how to clean glass, right?
Yeah. Okay, more of a finishing step. This is a ceramic detail spray in here.
Okay, so we're back to the exterior.
So you're back on finishing the exterior.
Well, I guess glass too, but yeah.
In and out, I guess glass.
In and out, yeah.
Burgers.
Food.
Anyways, again, purple, nice. The nice softer microfibers to go with that one.
The nice part about this is most of these products, no matter the brand, they're super easy to use.
Right.
And while they're doing that, they're also getting any of the water spots they may have missed when drying.
Because you're bound to miss some spots, most definitely.
And again, easy, right?
So there's those. And last but not least, I'll give you this one. What we got?
Yes, we have interior cleaner.
It's the basic interior cleaner. Does have UV protection. That's an important thing. Pick one that has a UV protection for whoever you're recommending to. And these are microfiber utility cloths. They're not as they allow a little scrubbing without being too aggressive.
Yeah, pretty easy.
That works on all surfaces. This interior cleaner. So that's it. Probably one of the biggest things I recommend. Just always recommend they either do their wheels first and rinse out the bucket and then move on to the wash, or do wheels last. I guess I don't tend to do them last, but I don't see why it could work that way.
Yeah, I generally recommend first.
Either way, yeah. I've always done first.
Again, we're just trying to keep this simple for that person that's asking you, hey, what do I do?
And then keep in mind, all these chemicals, guys, it's just a basic good glass cleaner. Your favorite waterless wash, whatever you like. Not a waterless wash and wax. Just this one's just straight waterless wash.
You can also, in place of the waterless wash, you could recommend a good quality detail spray.
Yeah.
Do the same type of thing.
The only reason I picked a ceramic detailer is just to give a little bit of protection.
Right.
When you're done. That's the reason I use that one. But if they don't care about that, even just plain detail spray, whatever you'd like. All right, so there's our idea of a basic kit that will work well for your friends and family members that ask about maintaining their car that maybe aren't into detailing as much as you.
But this way they have a basic idea of what to use to clean their car, and it's simple. You don't want to overwhelm them.
Because I've done that.
We're both guilty of that. I know I'm definitely guilty of that.
Are you sure you want to ask that question? Because come here.
Yeah. Do you have a couple hours? Here, let me show you exactly.
Maybe I just go to the car wash.
So I want to hear from you guys down in the comments. What do you do when asked that question? What do you recommend?
Yeah. Because there's so many ways you can branch off of this type of situation, So
yeah,
definitely. All right, with that, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps if you ever get that question. Maybe you're the person looking for the basic idea from the detailing channel. So hopefully that helps you out.
Yeah, you can share this video with that friend, family member,
idea.
neighbor.
These two idiots.
Yeah, they'll walk you through the basics.
Like maybe they could wash the car next time. All right, till the next video, guys.
Thanks.
Later.
The bottles.
And then my big... Obviously, do you want to start this over?
Yes.
I feel like
I was thinking the same.